In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Squarespace. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you want to maintain consistency across your website while saving time on content creation. Whether you're building a new section or just want to tweak existing elements, duplicating a page can be incredibly useful. To start, you'll want to log in to your Squarespace account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Pages. This is where you'll manage all the pages for your website. It's your main hub for organizing and navigating through the different sections of your site. Now that you have the Pages panel open, find the page you wish to duplicate. You can do this by hovering your cursor over each page in the Pages menu. As you do so, you'll notice a few icons appear next to each page's name. Once you've identified the page you want to duplicate, you'll see a gear icon, which looks like a small cog or settings wheel, pop up next to the page name. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This click will open up the page settings for the selected page. You'll see a variety of options here, but to duplicate the page, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom of the General Settings section. Look for the option labeled Duplicate Page. Click on it, and depending on your Squarespace setup, you might see a pop-up message asking you to confirm that you want to duplicate the page. Just confirm your selection, and the duplication process will proceed. Once your page is duplicated, you'll find the copy in a section called Not Linked in your menu. This section is designed to store pages that you might not yet want to link to your navigation or main menu. You'll probably notice that the new page has a name like Copy of Original Page Name. To give your new page a unique identity, click the gear icon on this new page. Here, you can rename the page and change its URL slug to better reflect its intended purpose. This step helps in ensuring clarity, both for yourself when organizing your site and for visitors once the page is live. After renaming and setting the URL, click Edit on the new page to start tailoring it. Update the content, swap out images, and tweak other elements to suit your new objectives. This is your opportunity to make sure everything aligns with your current project or theme. Be sure to take your time in reviewing all the new changes you implement, and most importantly, remember to save your work. And there you have it. Following these steps allows for a seamless duplication process, making your Squarespace management efficient and tailored to your needs. Happy creating!